Hello everyone, I'm Deepthi and today I have come up with drawing meditation for you. This is something I always do when I feel lost, stuck or drained emotionally and mentally. It helps me to gain back my energy and connect to my inner self and give some peace and stability to my mind. This activity is something which you can do in your home or at office and during any time of the day, pretty much any time and anywhere, to let go all your stress and tension that you may be experiencing in your life. You can use any kind of paper you have, coloring pencils or sketches, pen, anything of your choice. Drawing can be either colorful or just black and white. Before diving in, I would like to mention it to you about the ABC rule which we will follow during this activity. First thing is to adjust your body. This is all about your posture and making yourself comfortable. Select a place where you can sit comfortably and draw. Let's go to B. Breathe. We often forget to breathe. When we are working, we breathe in, hold the breath for a few seconds and start concentrating on your activity. Always remember to breathe out. This is something we should train to do through the process. The third thing is connection. It is very important to create a connection. Connection between you, pen, and paper. You connect to your pen and the pen connects to the paper. Another advice I have is do not hold your pen tight. It makes your fingers and hand very stiff and that doesn't help you to draw better. Instead, it creates unnecessary pressure and stress in the tip of your fingers. Also, don't press the pen hard onto the paper. Just relax and enjoy the art you're creating. Towards the end, I hope you finish the drawing with peace, positivity, and a clear mind, and find answers to have a productive and happy life. To begin with, I suggest you set an intention for the practice. It could just be a single word that you can focus your energy and thoughts around, like peace, ease, strength, freedom, love, or anything of your choice. I used peace. You can draw a line, cloud, rectangle, circles, triangles, or any shape around the word so that your eyes are drawn and focused to that word. You start creating a mandala around the word. The meaning of the word mandala in Sanskrit is circle. Mandala is a spiritual and ritual symbol in Hinduism and Buddhism representing the universe. The circular design symbolizes the idea that life is never ending and everything is connected. The mandala also represents a spiritual journey within the individual viewer. So the first level is understanding the unity in cosmos, and secondly, each individual must find their own place within it. Mandalas have many uses apart from meditation, as the designs are meant to remove irritating thoughts and allow the creative mind to run free as well as relaxation. But ultimately, people create and look at mandalas to center the body and mind. The primary use of it is as a form of meditation to gain knowledge from within. They are symbolic images which, when meditated on, can bring profound inner transformation. So the first step is to select a mandala that strongly appeals to you. Then you focus on the intention that you want to bring into your life, and then take it in the beautiful design of the mandala by gently gazing at the design. If your mind starts to think about daily stresses, simply bring your focus back to the beauty of the drawing. The beauty of it should absorb all your attention by being drawn into the designs and colors. Gradually, you will feel yourself more relaxed and feeling of lightness and intuitive thoughts may arise. Allow yourself to float with it, and if your thoughts start to wander, just relax and refocus your attention back on the mandala. The coloring of the mandalas is used as a healing tool and is associated with reducing stress and anxiety. It also allows you to express your creative side, which often we are not able to do in our daily lives. To get started with the coloring of the mandala, you can choose any medium such as coloring pencils, crayons, pastels, chalks, or paint, whichever suits you best. Find a peaceful space where you can relax and start the coloring, allowing any color that enters your mind without analyzing it too much or trying to match the colors. If you have an intention you want to meditate on, you may want to look at the meaning of the colors from the table given below in the description box. However, you should let your instincts guide you and the choice of colors will follow naturally. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this. I'd really enjoy reading all your comments. Do try this and don't forget to tag me on Instagram with your beautiful drawings. I hope this video really helped you to bring some positivity and peace in your life. If you like this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching.